Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Geogebra to make a trend line from a set of ordered pairs, which is our list right there. Now it's really easy. What we do is we simply use a command in the input line, and that command is called FitLine. So this is a way to get Geogebra to generate a line for you. So what we look here is we see the name of the command or function is called FitLine, and then these are called the parameters. These are what I have to give it. I have to give it a list of points. Well, it turns out I do have a list of points up here. It's called L1. So if I say FitLine and I put L1 in there, the way I show that is put L with an underscore 1. That is the fit line that is automatically generated. When I hit enter, there is the fit line. And look at that. So let me just hide both those lines. This is the line that I approximated using my sliders, would look to me like a good fit line, a good linear fit line that represents this data. This is the one that was created using the function in Geogebra. So basically, somehow, it found a way to develop this fit line. I have a pretty good eye. So I can, slide this around and we can see. So that's how in Geogebra we make a fit line. But we can do a whole bunch of things. We could do a fit, and we could do a fit exp. I don't know what that is, but let's see what happens. And I'm going to say L sub 1. The way I show it sub 1 is put an underscore. So this is Geogebra now trying to find a nice curve that fits this data. We're not really interested in this as a content piece from our course. But what I think is interesting here is to show that there's lots of different functions that you can use. The key thing when you're trying to understand how to use this is to know the name of the function and then what it needs to work. Now, let's get rid of this because this is obviously not what we're interested in at this level. But I just want to close with this one last piece. Geogebra in many ways is an introduction to programming. We're learning how to basically run commands to tell the computer to do things. And one of the things that you learn to use as a programmer is something called an API. And you can think of an API as just a set of instructions. You might wonder, how did I know that fit command? Well, what I did was I actually came to this, and these are all the different commands that Geogebra can run in that input bar. Now, it could look a little overwhelming, and by no means are you supposed to understand this or should understand this right now. But as you continue to use Geogebra or any type of programming language, we always want to think about the API. Those are that's a manual that tells us all the different things this program might be able to do for us. And there's lots of little tricks to reading APIs that I'm happy to go over with you if you ever have any questions. So with that said, have a wonderful day. And as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Take care.